The Integrated Philippine Association of Optometrists Gold Medal Award for Outstanding Research is awarded to the following by Dr. The Philippine Association of Schools of Medical Technology and Public Health Academic Excellence Award, Margaret Rose E. Baluyot, Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology, to be awarded by Dr. Charito M. Bernido, Vice President for Internal Affairs, Department.